Perfect.
This is my family during last year's Thanksgiving. As you can see, we are eating a delicious Thanksgiving meal.
No, actually.
And seeing how Thanksgiving is right around the corner, I wanted to share something with you that has forever changed the way I see food and how I eat my meals. It's called mindful eating. When you choose to eat mindfully, you're giving food your full attention, allowing you to have optimal satisfaction and enjoyment without overeating. If we allow ourselves to eat our food without guilt and judgment, we're setting ourselves up for success and long-term weight management. Through the process of noting the textures, colors, and smells of our foods, we're able to become thankful for our food and express gratitude.